everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. I hope you all had a great weekend. In Canada here it was Thanksgiving weekend. So what'd y'all do? Were you able to spend time with family or friends? We went to hubby's sister's and I wore my mask. Yes, I did. And it was a good time. She's an amazing cook. Oh my. We took a apple pie and a pumpkin pie, store-bought. But that was our contribution, and I helped with dishes. So today I want to show you, okay, it's the hashtag 3-color challenge, where we were to get somebody in our household to pick 3 different colors of yarn, and then you guys got to decide what I should make with them. So the item that got the most votes was a bag. So I made a bag. Yes, I did. So just to remind you of the yarn and to show you what I have left. I don't know what this was because I didn't have the label, but I had doubled the yarn for the bag, which I'll show you soon. And this one, this is what I have left of this one. Still quite a bit there. But this was the Bernat Cozy style, and it was a partial ball. And this one is plum color, 4-weight. Let's see, does it have a, yeah, plum. Did I say that already? Oh well. Plum is the color. And then I had this cotton yarn, and this was a full ball originally that I broke up because I also doubled this one. The only one I did not double was this one. Okay, this is the Easy Knit Cotton Rich, 70% cotton, 30% polyester. This was in a Mary Maxim mystery bag. The color is Sky. It's like a light blue, and there's not a lot of info. 400 grams. It doesn't say the yardage, but it is 70 cotton, 30 polyester. So I've got a really good suggestion on how to make the bag that had the most votes on it. So, to put the cotton at the top and the handles and at the bottom. So here is the bag. And it is a flat bottom. It's a flat bottom, actually. But I made the bag kind of tall because I was trying to use a lot of the yarn. I guess it's not that tall, but it's okay, and it can go over my shoulder. It's not that tall. Look at that. All right. So that is the bag. And I'm very happy with it. What do you guys think? That is the Jacob's Ladder. And there's the handles. And then the bottom. So what do you guys think? Do you think these colors look good? I'm actually very happy with it. If, you know, I'd like your honest opinion. Okay, so it starts at the bottom, and I started with, I believe I started with a 6mm hook, and then I went to a 5.5 for the blue and the purple, the dark blue and the purple. And then I went back to the 6 for the top, I believe, because I had doubled this, the cotton yarn, so it made it quite thick. Okay. What am I going to do with the rest of the yarn? I am not sure right now. All right, so I made one of these bags before, and this is it. And this was a crochet along by Sabrina Mellow Juice. Hi, Sabrina. And I thought, you know, I want to make a bag just like this first one that I made that Sabrina has a lovely tutorial for. Actually, it's a crochet along, so it doesn't matter when you do it. You can still do it now. At the time, she had a little giveaway going, and I won. So I got a really nice box of goodies from Sabrina, and this crochet along was put up a year ago. I will link it below. It's a great way to use up yarn. Say you have like this much yarn, you're not sure what to make with it, put it together with other yarns and use it up as much as you can. So her crochet along was so cool, and you can still do this now. You can take, you know, if you have one ball of yarn like this, you have one ball of yarn like this, maybe all acrylic or something. Throw them in a bag and just close your eyes, grab one out, and that's the next one you use. That's how these colors came together like this. And it's just a cool way to use up yarn and to make something beautiful with it. Yeah. So Sabrina, thank you so much. I'm so glad that I used your tutorial again to make this one here. I'm very happy with it. I think it turned out really pretty. And I thank you everyone who suggested what I should make. And yeah, so go ahead and make that bag anytime you want. Like I said, it was a crochet along, but you can still do it now. There's a few parts to the videos, and I'm going to try to link all of them down below. And yeah, so that is my 3-color challenge. And the reason I got it done pretty quickly, I think, is because it was a long weekend. So instead of hubby being home only 2 days, he was home 3 days, and then we went to his sister's for Thanksgiving dinner. And but I got a lot of crocheting done still. That's why I was able to finish this, although it doesn't really take that long. I think it might take me like 2 days maybe, and that's including I cleaned the living room and, you know, stuff like that. You know, life stuff. Okay, you guys, so thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for participating in the, you know, letting me know what you thought I should make. And it's done. So thank you all so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.